Rawpa Crawpa. You take my video. What you say? Somebody sent to you. Oh, me I cuss over KFC if you get served. Rawpa Crawpa, do not compare yourself with me. I say what I like and how I feel. And that's my opinion towards me as a person. The love that, don't tell me about, Queenie, Brooklyn. Me never tell them I'm going on no line. Me say I'm going to knock the door, back door deal, my queen. Jamaica run with back door deal code. Where you come and contradict me for now? Mr. Rawpa Crawpa, can you get some of my music and put on your platform and help to promote me positively? Not to knock my speech. Whatever the queen said, cause I'm the I wasn't speaking about you, Rawpa Crawpa. Why you use yourself for example with Mama Dan? Why you compare where you did go with D and what you do? You is you and me is me, madam. I'm a feel some is a fucking slave for the nation, so I forget leniency and nobody can deny me for that. I'm telling you, if you don't want to kill me for what me believe, it's my belief. There's a lot of people me support. Sometimes I'm tired. So if I feel like I want to leave, who the fuck for you for contest, Mama Dan? Go stream some of my music, them Rawpa Crawpa. You understand? Put them on your platform and say, Queenie, put out that song. What you think about the words and those lines? Support my music because there's positive... There's a lot of positive about me, not just fucking negative because, me say, my queen. Me say the bumble clad thing I want about myself. What the fuck you come piss me for? I'm loud, blood bumble puts her ass clad me, madam. You hear that? The last review you do about when me do add plus tax, I said, me say, we're in the clash. It bunny said, me say, clash. It was a fucking clash. It's how I feel. You know, in my shoes, baby. Why would you contest me now? He's a man, me's a woman, Rawpa Crawpa. When me and Dexter did an argument, you never find me and interview me. So you talk about me now. You know, me did destined for hear about my speech with Dexter. What was the word? Acknowledge that I was hurt. You understand me? See him somebody walk less and left past, get up, walk back past you. So now, yesterday I go out with myself. I claims my royalty. I claims the way I believe I work hard for get up, preach, sing, cuss, counsel. Enough I do, madam. So you compete yourself with me. It's a different category of fish. If you don't want different what I feel, me different what am I. Where you argue with me because Jamaica run with blood clot code and pussy clot, scamming and dunce and mad and crazy. What fuck you tell me and I contradict me? This is my country and I'm here. And that's how Jamaica run. You get leniency. If you're nobody, nobody don't want to know you. Why would you want to deny me of what I think about myself? It's my facts, it's my belief. You understand? As a trouble come. You notice? I'm myself, nobody I talk about. And all the security approach me. If me they go and give me $5 grand, you think you would approach me, so links run blood clot Jamaica, where you come try bully me and that's Sykes. Like you want me to look like me not have rights as the fucking queen. I am the fucking queen. What the fuck you expect? You think me I sit down with you for give me my title? You hear that? I stand up for myself. I'm my own independent person. I saw my reach, I become a believer in myself, proud of myself, boast over myself, endorse myself, protect myself, and it goes on and on. Why man love contest me? You hear me say it and you still put up the video. Why? Because I'm a power. You get 17,000 views, madam. Just because you feel like saying that. Of course, I'm not a fuckery. That's a Jamaica runner, you fucking know it. Sorry for you if you want to stand up in the 100. If you want to go in there, all the people that in the line would give me a whatever. But I want to knock the door. So why you have a problem with that? I never tell them I'm going on a line. I'm going to knock the door. A principle that. That's why I door lock. So if I want to go behind it, I knock and explain myself. I try. Yes. But the attitude of the man come out, if I did follow him, the fact that I knocked the door, I could have rude to him and I walk away and went outside and meet and greet my people them. And I said, look how much work my out here I do. Just take 5 at wings. Still have conscience. I could have said, yes, my queen want 10 bags of food. Just to prove. Nothing happened. I just watch Rawpa Crawpa post my video and I say, no, Queenie, and I say run. And the people, nobody not getting no fucking trouble. If your cousin come, you go get your cousin lean. And so the fuck you tell me like me to tell them to give me them paycheck. Me an idiot? On the contrary, mama full of chatter now take it blood clot back. I want to know. No, can't tell me about my truth and my right and my belief. You understand me? If your mother come in there, you are going to serve her. The same thing, I am the queen. And a lot of people in Jamaica really appreciate me. So when them appreciate me and give me blind and the next one fight, I'm allowed to speak. Because I'm a speaker. Why would you want to contest fucking me? Who feels it knows it. You understand? You know, see the reality of what I say to you. When them I go call the manager, I nobody want to hear the manager, I walk away. Because I try, I'm a trying person. Don't knock me. I never go tell a man to feel me when I can't make me blow him 2 balls them. I go and say I'm the queen. My value and my worth. I'm a word valuable person, a powerful person. Someone who not even for blood clot call my name. You understand me? Someone who would tear my skin like dead meat, like when drunk a tear blood clot me. Someone who not even for call my name. Because I'm nice, I'm peaceful, I'm pure. You understand? Someone who drank a blood clot get a drawback because of internet and the same one cuss the internet. But I make someone who could have even yes, Rawpa Crawpa. Do me a favor. I have new music will come out. Endorse my thing, my dance. Stop tearing me down for my believe. And the people me tear them at me reach me then and I have a horrible blood clot self and ball. Anything when I feel emotional, I want ball, my ball. I can't borrow nobody balling or nobody crying. You understand me? Don't fucking provoke my peace. If you don't have no content, you don't talk about. If you don't talk about people who don't have content, I'm myself come over here and boast, but nothing wrong with that. You understand me? It's truth. I think the government for acknowledge me more and make life more fucking easier for me as well. So what you think you can deny me as that or the government can deny me? Nobody can not deny me as that because that's my belief. I am the fucking ghetto queen. Why you think the people them love me so? Oh, no, can't take with that. I learn me while I nice son and dance nice son. On a class, me and my husband. And natural energy were priceless. If you don't get 10 million pounds for support me, you could have blood clot support me. It happen naturally. And no, can't take that. I got a loan, him can't take that. You hear that? I'm a verse spontaneous. Sometimes me myself don't know where I go come over here come. So no, leave me the fuck alone, man. I'm a clot to not contradict. But I don't time on the believe. No. You don't know much girl come rush up in me. I want them to know. No can blood clot bully me. But don't tell her already, it's a bad blood clot girl. I mean I have no fear about God. All when you not threaten me, on the mind, when you intimidate me, when you make me feel like make me feel like it's a blood clot, madam, and I attack for me not attack no fuckery. When I for crown me and honor me. Enough girl me make no take commit suicide. Enough people me lift up them days, them moments, them thoughts, them thinking. Ooh, what you tell me? Me never going to go hold up nobody. But tell them I knock the door. And that's principle. Is that wrong? I should have going to go cuss bomber, pussy, blood clot. No. And the security come like him and bang up, barricade me. You not deal with me some of that. It's a door, me never go in a line, go in plead. The whole of people them. You know, it take how much in people energy for take picture and hug them up at daytime. Nobody hug you up. God bless the few people who really see them see and stare by you. My energy a magnet. You hear that? When girl pitney see me them run to me and some man and some little pitney. So if me say that, why I make it look like I'm going there and telling the son to give me millions? Not for blood clot and I use my dirty nasty blood clot, dirty blood clot digital. When in a quarantine when I'm a bounty killer, Being a man clash. I'm a watching a go, watching a come and use my slang. Full of chatter, nah, take it back. And none of blood clot in and I come kiss out, me kiss out. I love blood clot, me dirty man. Dirty people. Dirty blood clot nation. The whole of we dirty like Queenie. You think none of can type and class and make blood clot me. Go back in our history. 2020. When them have the big blood clot clash. I want to know. And my slang, out of my slang, will come out 2020, big up 100% silk. Full of chat, I'm nah, take it back. I have to buy this is, no, blood clot acknowledge me. What I don't have fight down my old grey blood clot pussy every turn with my natural energy. It priceless and a credit. You hear that? And a data. A God give me it. I never ask it, I may embrace it. You hear that? No put so long a blood clot. It's enough for crown me an enemy. I make me go to America and Canada. I'm not supposed to back up for blood clot. These are not stink like blood clot me. I want to know. I want to see greatness. I don't want to trample me on a little dirty bad man, cheesy cocky on the bottle of sour no blood clot. I want to know. I don't think my mother, I never take blood clot, Malay or coke, get a ganja, I smoke. I like a blood clot white rum now and then. My sober no blood clot. As crazy as my pussy clot is. No blood clot influence to me. As dirty as my mouth as I think me, it's my real and pure. Move on a stinking blood clot and a bad-minded Jamaican dirty crab in a bar shit house. I want to know a great man this I got to me a come out. I don't know much stand and live and blood clot leave my lip and got you enough. I'm never ball to none of blood clot enough for help it. I come down here, I made the whole heap of shows. You know why? When my song bust will never steal some pussy clean and fat. That make me get acknowledgement. I think a blood clot sting. I don't think a dirty blood clot some fest. I want to know, I want to style me a some fest. I want to undermine my dirty blood clot. I come down here buy my plane ticket. I want to push me out and pay me no mind like me as a blood clot. Madam, like me did invite myself. Whatever go wrong, I'm still hold it like a blood clot. I still perform on many shows. I want to know. Free. All when them not book me, I go look for blood clot, me girl them. Because them want to say, I want to know. Work me, not jerk no blood clot chicken. I see no up on the stage, I sweat and a sun. When I come talk about now performance, I enter blood clot-tainment. And anyone on a blood clot boom up on stage, my blue back on a dirty blood clot. That's how confident me is. I want to put the bomb ass clot all. Low blood clot me. You hear that? And I just suck out my bumbo hole like silver blood clot ticks. Like you know want trick blood clot me for tell me I'm not great. I'm not worth. I am fucking worth. Me supposed to get X-card. I told me I get a blood clot so down to out woman with the all over and I get to run and I hug up and I pray in my head as God, Father God guide me. Cause none of the get to you them not doing nothing. You hear that?